Hello, in this topic we will see the arithmetic series. Now, the formula for the arithmetic series is this one, Sn equals n over 2 times u1 plus un, or this one, Sn is n over 2, 2 times u1 plus n minus 1d. Now, where do I use them? The first one is when I know the first term and the nth term. For this one here is when I know the first term and I know the difference, the common difference. We will see examples how I can use them. Let me call this formula 1 and this formula 2. Now let's see a problem, practical problem. Before that, let's see what is this arithmetic series. Basically, I want to calculate how much is the sum of the first 10 terms. Let's see it. Let's say I have this problem. The first term of the arithmetic sequence is u1 equals 5. And the last term is of the arithmetic sequence, which is let's say 10 is 50. Now, if I want to calculate the sum of the first 10 terms, basically it's going to be how much I will use the first formula, which is Sn is n over 2 times u1 plus un. Now here u1, as you see, it's first of all n is 10 times u1 is 5 over 2 plus un is 50. So the sum of the first 10 terms of this sequence, you see I don't know the common difference, how much is it? It's 10 times 55 over 2, which is 5 times 55, which is 275. Now, most common problem, if I will give you the sequence, so let's say that I have the sequence of these numbers 3, 10, 17 and so on, and I want to calculate the sum of the first 20 terms. Now in this case I don't know which is the 20th term, so easily I can use the formula 2, which is Sn is equal n over 2 u1 plus n minus 1 times d. Now if you will see this formula 2 times u1, if you will see this formula is basically if I will substitute in this formula the the nth term with the equivalent. If you remember for previous lesson, un is u1 plus n minus 1 times d. So if I'll substitute this here, I will get this formula. So here now, if I want to calculate the 21st terms, it's going to be 20 over 2 times 2 times, which is the first term, 3, plus n, which is 20, minus 1 times. Now the common difference here, you see it's plus 7, so it is 7. And then a simple substitution, 20 divided by 2 is 10 times 6 plus 19 times 7, which is 10 times 6 plus 3, 6, 133, so it's 10 times 139. And that's how I can calculate easily my sum, the arithmetic series, the sum of the first n terms.